There's no love in the city, and you gotta be tough for the life we're living. You gon' hear them say, fuck your feelings, and there's no love in the city, there's no love in the city. There's a lot of drugs, too much sinning, and a lot of fake thugs, they pretending. There's no love in the city.
It's a cold world out here, it's a cold world out here. Run home, grab a cold before you catch a cold out here. We all wanna fucking know love. Where my man got me thinking my generation's beyond cray and cray. The only thing we care about is the clothes we wear. Got me laughing like there's a low-key Skutan right there, with a lot of rappers busy bluffing, and I got no fear, cause I go harder than extra like it's a Libya. And I feel like it's me against the world, but I still bustin' out when I fuck the world. I'll be sleeping with the enemy, Romeo and Juliet. That's so common to finesse you off, this and that. You better disinfect the fake love you get. Stick with the fam, nigga, let the love spread. Do your thing, make a lot of fans. As they stream and you sing, make a lot of bands.